having a nice Corona, and we've done a couple things on the road trek. I'll show you here. Alright, what we did is we kind of spray painted this. We're trying to just give it a little contrast because I hate the color. It's really bad. But I do have a girl that's going to paint a really nice scene on here. It's just when I can get to that and get her to do that. You know, that's another thing. We did the same thing to the other side, and I threw up Wayne's World Adventures in Travel, and we put a little sticker on here for Ludington, Michigan. And anyway, I am going to have a great little meal tonight. I had some friends give me, I know it's kind of dark in here, but I'll show you as we get going. I'm doing up some brown rice. Got my fry pan going here. And in the bag is the secret stuff, which is the salmon. I got some fish breading. It's kind of Cajun style because I like the hot stuff. So I've got two big fillets. One I threw in the freezer, and I'm going to have it another night. But I've got one big fillet in there. I'm going to pan fry it. I'd like to grill it, but I'm going to pan fry it tonight. And maybe grill it the next night. So that's what's going on. We'll show you some more footage as we start to cook up some salmon right out of the good old Lake Michigan. It's going to be delicious. So, peace.